state. So if our internal programming is good, we will get the positive state as an output. So if our internal programming is negative, we will get into unresourceful state. Unresourceful state means positive state where you can utilize all your resources. Unresourceful state means in a negative state, boredom, sadness, anxiety. So where we cannot utilize our physical or mental resources. So so we'll call whatever the internal programming we are having, that is called subjective experience. Scenario as different. Here the event one, what is the event which is happening outside our world is same, but here based upon our internal filters, belief system, meta programs, we'll perceive that if person is having positive experiences in life, he will less likely to react to the situation. If that person has so much trauma inside, so many negative situations, that person take that event one as negative. So here the situation is same, our perception of viewing the situation will change, and this will different for different people. Generally we won't see what is happening outside, we will observe it what is happening inside. That's called state. So based upon the state we'll get action. So action means we'll talk to them. If we perceive the situation is positive, we'll thank them. So our body language will be good. If you perceive that situation as a negative, we'll get anger. If you don't like that event, we'll slap them. Hey, who are you to make fun of me, like that? If we perceive the situation as a negative, so our action totally depends upon our current state. So based upon the action, you will get result. Either if the action is positive, you'll get positive result. If the action is negative, you'll get the negative result. So generally, all the humans will desire for only positive life. We want health, we want wealth, we want relationship. So no one wants undesired life like illness, broken relationships, diseases. So always we try to be positive. So event 2 means the internal programming of our subconscious programming. So based upon the event 2, if you got into negative state, if someone told something to me, I got upset. So that means upset is the negative state, right? So if we are continuously in negative states for years, our immunity will go down. Disturbed immunity will get results. What are the results? Viral attacks will frequently get viral fevers, cancer, allergy, autoimmune disorders will get if you are in unresourceful state. Stress hormones will be reduced. So to protect, actually whenever we are in negative situation, our mind will feel that in order to protect from that perceived danger, in order to protect ourselves from that danger, our subconscious will put us in F3 mode, freeze mode, flight mode, or fight or flight. So freeze modes, that person can't do anything he wants, that is freeze mode. Fight mode, they will try to fight. How can you say like this? How can you say like that? I will slap you, like that. And flight mode, if our capability is less than the other people, so they will try to escape from this situation. When we are more in this freeze, flight and fight mode, so in order to make that state, more stress hormones will be released in the body. Due to that, we will get a different, our immunity will be reduced due to the stress hormones produced by the subconscious mind. So when the internal programming is good, you will get a positive state. When we are in positive state, we are having very healthy immunity. The results is release of dopamine. This is are called feel good hormones, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, endorphin, melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone and human growth hormones. So the person will grow as our sugar levels will be normal and normal BP and perfect weight. So uh, we will get feel good hormones and growth hormones will be released in the body. So confidence go, so automatically when we are good health, we will have good confidence, goal oriented mindset, peak performance, success. We will get better relationships when we are in positive state, when the relationship with ourselves is good, so we can maintain good relationship with others also. So examples of resourceful states. Resourceful states are confidence. When you are confident, now you can utilize all the physical, mental resources. Generally, all the humans are having same resources. Whatever the resources I am having, same resources other people are having. What they lack is resourcefulness. So when we are sad, we can't utilize our mind and body properly. So confidence, happiness, when we are in happiness, now we can utilize our resources and capabilities in a proper way. So concentration, if a student is there, if concentration is there, he can get good marks in the exam. Togetherness, when we are doing as a teamwork, so so we can achieve better results. Decision making, when mind and body are good, you will when it is when there is no anxiety, there is no fear, na, our decision making will be good. So if we are so much fearful, na, we will take, out of fear we will take wrong decisions. Love is the positive state and joy. When you are in happiness, na, the probability of you getting success will be more. Playfulness, when you are playful, you are in positive state. Delightfulness is the opposite of the depression. When you are you in the mind, so automatically you can achieve anything and you can utilize all your capabilities, talents and resources. So unresourceful state. So you need to identify when we are in unresourceful state. We need to have the awareness that am I in resourceful state or unresourceful state. You need to check whether you are in anger, depression, phobias, trauma, guilt, discomfort, sadness or illness, loneliness, confusion and frustration. When we check that, when we are in any of the above listed unresourceful states, with awareness you need to check and instantly you need to change our state to from negative state to positive state. So now I am telling about delete, distorts, generalization. So after delete, distorts, generalization, that the E2 will happen. Event 2 is nothing but a memory. The past memories, painful memories, are positive memories, subconscious imprint. So whatever situation happening in your life from the birth, they will be recorded as videos, audios and feelings. So your daily habits, everything will have neural pathways in our brain. So whatever is imprinted in the subconscious mind 0 to 7 years of age, that is called subconscious imprint. If that subconscious imprint, it is also called script or neural pathway. So if this memory, subconscious imprint, script, neural pathways all are in positive, na, will get positive outcome. So if the person has undergone any negative memories, negative situations, na, the output will be negative. What is state? What is called state? So state is nothing but the mood. Sometimes in the case of normal human beings, sometimes in the case of cricketers, we will tell that Sachin is not in form. But Sachin has shown excellence in cricket, but after 40 years, 45 years, they lose that form. That's called state. So John, some music people will when they